Oh!
Oh my god, look who it is!
Look who it is!
What a pleasant surprise, guys!
This is nice.
Hello, welcome to Vicky's YouTube. I am your host for this evening.
So today we are going to be doing something in the gym. Maybe dancing, we don't know. We're going to be pushing. We're not going to do a lot of pushing like we said before. I'm going to come into the mirror to talk to you.
Yeah.
Because, you know, this is how we do YouTube now. We're not going to do a lot of videos in terms of pushing today because this is more going to be along the lines of a coffee chat with me and Jack. So join us for coffee later. We will be doing something in terms of pushing. We will be doing something.
We might train today.
We may, but we may dance more.
Yeah, probably.
So obviously this is Jack's working set. Come on!
One more.
One more rep!
Just one more. Just one more. I failed.
Oh, that's failure.
This is failure.
Total failure.
I've hit failure.
Honestly. Right.
Who's trained with someone like that?
It's annoying, right?
Yeah, who goes, I've hit failure now. I'm like, you're not hit failure. You're doing reps. You bloody moron.
So we're just talking about having the minerals. No, we did say that we're not going to actually train, we're just talking here. But Jack is now off cycle. He's off cycle, so basically he's thinking about his jumps in terms of the pec deck and going, do I do stead jumps or do I not in case I tear something?
Decisions.
Very decisions. What will he do? Answers on a postcard here. Are you alright, Jack?
Oh, I've got a bit of brain there.
Mate, you need to shake the pre-workout. Do you think he made a stead jump? I don't know whether he did. Maybe he might have done. I think he's already done his set. I don't know.
Check the stack.
We might check the stack. Oh. Oh, no, you didn't. You haven't put the little ones on.
What?
So, come on. Honestly.
Okay.
Is that better?
Must be absolutely ridiculous today, guys. I'm probably going to be like this, and then my chest comes out, when I'm just sitting there like potato. Or potato head. As we are like pasta barrel.
Be a potato.
Yeah.
Right, come on, do something. Might as well video one set. Too easy. Look at that, he can still talk. It's fucking annoying, right?
Hello there, Vic. What are you on now? We've had to get 2 stacks for Vic.
Had to get 2 stacks. Because I'm stacked. Massive.
Massive! That's it, come on. That's it. Come on. Nice. Up. All the way. Yes. Excellent. Hurrah. Down. Down.
So Jack is the bitch when he brings in things. It's a very squeaky thing as well. Oh, mate. I'm keeping that in. You do realise that? Jack's failed. Jack's failed. Jack, what are you lifting there, mate? Oh, it's the bar. How have you failed here? Come on, sort yourself out. Sort it, sort it. Roll off, roll off. Did you survive?
Wow.
Are you okay?
That was cool, guys.
It was a very close call.
We did survive.
We did. Maybe it's time to rotate out that. Maybe it's time to rotate out that movement. If you're failing like that,
I think I'm going to, definitely lower the load.
lower the load.
Yeah.
What are you going to lower it to? Maybe just a plate in each hand?
Power of air.
Power of air. A plate in each hand. That would be good.
Resistance bonus, you see.
That's what it is.
What? Nice.
sometimes. Maybe I'm a bit hard on myself. Oh dear.
I actually am so fast. Hold on, guys. I'm back.
Are you glad that he's back? I don't know whether I'm in the place or not.
Hold on.
Oh, you're okay.
If I come here, I'm also in the frame.
Oh, this is exciting. How is that? How is that possible?
No.
Mirrors. Whoosh.
Can you smell?
Well, I think that was a very good thing for you to actually say, can you smell? Because we were just talking about you rotating your bowel movements.
Yeah, it's healthy.
So what are we doing now anyway, apart from going for a shit?
We're 3 circles ago.
3 circles. Well, you're glistening, and the reason why we didn't get it on camera was because I had to come and rescue you.
Yes. I did get 3.
You didn't get 3.
That was just a wrap that just failed completely.
It was.
I was like, yep, so everything's fine and dandy, don't hold back.
So hence the reason why I was a good friend, and I didn't let you die, I made sure that I went and rescued Bob.
I'm really trying hard to decapitate myself and things just not allowing it.
I'm not allowing it
It's
to.
kind of selfish.
I know.
Whatever your headless, yeah.
Now, do we allow the decapitation? Quick, do your poll.
That's it, come on. Nice. Nice, come on. You stop.
That's annoying, that.